Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this mango salsa. Mango salsa is extremely easy to prepare. It pairs well with nachos or you can eat it as it is. Here I've prepped all the ingredients and reserved. We need chili powder, salt, sugar, finely chopped mango. I have not used a very ripe mango. It is slightly sour. So I have chopped it finely and I've used bell peppers, all three colors. You can use any color bell pepper or just the green capsicum. Finely chopped onion, grated ginger, grated garlic, finely chopped chilies. We need lime juice and finely chopped coriander for this recipe. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Now here in a mixing bowl I'm going to combine all the ingredients. With very gentle hands I'm going to mix all the ingredients. But just before serving you need to add your chili powder, salt and sugar and then serve it. If you're serving it right away, you can add all the ingredients together and serve it. But here you just add your lime juice, then refrigerate it. Just before serving, you add salt, sugar, chili powder and then serve it. It tastes excellent. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. I highly recommend you try it. Now it's mango season. It is very nice and tasty. If you get that slightly sour mango, use that and try it. It's very nice. Here I've used this Banganpalli mango, which is very easily available and common everywhere. Try it with the local mangoes itself. It turns out excellent. You can serve this with nacho chips or you can consume it as it is. It's very nice and healthy. Share this recipe with your friends and family friends. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.